Hi and welcome to another of my videos. I'm gonna be showing you how to draw tenement blocks in a row looking from above. So we're gonna start off by drawing some volumes. Just start by gently drawing a series of lines, construction lines. Just going very light on this. And just simply following the construction lines I've set up here. So as you can see, these go into one direction, and I'm sort of trying to do the same with these lines as well. Just trying to maybe fix what I have done not so correctly, so these should meet, so do these. Maybe trying not to exaggerate these too much, so you don't get like a weird fisheye type of perspective going on. Again, no shame in using eraser if you've done something wrong. If I just see how this... Again, just by looking at what's going on with these bottom lines, I can then figure out the top ones. And just again, all I'm doing at this point is trying to establish what goes where. Nothing more than that. On the top here, I'm gonna have a type of cap. Maybe be a penthouse type of, not necessarily apartment on top, but like a room that belongs to this building. Also starting to put where the pavement would be in relation to these buildings. Okay, and now we can start subdividing these. Like so. And again, thinking about where the eventual shadows would go. I'm again assuming the shadow would go from that, sorry, the sun would go from that direction, so the shadow would be from this side. Just gonna draw a small entry, opening to the garage or whatever that is in front. Now see, that sucks. I screwed up with this one here, so I'm just gonna erase that and redraw it. So that they all more or less align with one another. Actually going to change this a bit so there's more kind of horizontal continuity. And again, just coming back to that thing I said before about indicating where the shadows would go, making those lines thicker. And just sorting that same idea of splitting these volumes on the back faces. So projecting these lines forward so you can roughly see where they meet. This one forward as well, and that one. I don't know, something like that. And these ones as well. Once I have those tops, I can then express these ones as well. figure out these paths, how they meet the pavement here. Again, not forgetting about the shadow. And also adding window subdivisions. I have 3 for each.
Maybe add one.
Maybe add one horizontal. Again, not forgetting about railing on these ones, because otherwise people might fall off. And then just adding those lines, putting them in. Just trying not to cross these 2 lines that hold railing together too much. And maybe a window here as well. Maybe a window on this side as well. And subdividing eventually these ones into 3 parts. And then finally filling in all the shadows. And for interest, I guess I can shade the windows as well, just a little bit. Just trying to make them lighter than the shadows though. Alright, I hope this was somewhat of interest to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.